Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we're installing new tuning pegs made by Hipshot on this Yamaha BB234. And this guitar is really coming out nice. I selected the black ones. This is the original. What's important about putting in these tuning pegs is these ferrules. If you've already swapped yours out and you left the old ones in there, you might want to consider taking these out. And the reason is the actual Hipshot ones are slightly smaller, and what that means is they have a tighter tolerance. So if you use the originals and you put in the Hipshot, it means there's going to be a lot of slop inside this ferrule when you put the tuning peg through it. So what you need, well, before I get to that, one of the things that I really like about these Hipshots is that these are slightly shorter. I really don't like the keys sticking out, the clover leaf sticking out that far out of the headstock. I think this is a nicer look. Going in black with the black headstock really looks good. Let's just do the last one real quick, and I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove these frills. And you'd never think it was that simple, but it really is. Let's go to the close-up. All right, I removed the string. That was the first thing I did. I kept it on there because I'm going to reuse the string, and then we're just going to remove this using our handy dandy little screwdriver from Walmart. And pop this right out. And you see that in there? That's got to come out. And people are wondering, well, gee, how do you get that out? I don't want to wreck my guitar. Very simple. You see this? It's just a universal marker. Put it on like that. And I'm just going to use a wood dowel, okay? You don't need a hammer for this. All you have to do is just pop that in there, put your hand underneath. Tap, 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 tap. There it is. Done. Here's our new Hipshot HB1. There we go. We're not going to need the screws. We're going to use the same screws that we used to take out of there. I don't know if they're the same, if they're not. I just kind of like that black and silver. Okay, there it is. Okay, so here's the ferrule. As you can see, it's kind of small. Okay, it's smaller. It's not as big as the other ones. So what we're going to do is put some Teflon tape. And normally Teflon tape is about 1/2 inch wide. But if you split the tape and start unraveling it, you want to get it to where it's perfect width for that ferrule. Wrap it around. Try to get it even. And then start bringing it around. If you use the wider stuff, or if you don't split the tape, you run the risk of, when you put this on, you're going to have tape poking out of here. You'll definitely have tape in here, and then that's not bad. All you have to do is just take an X-Acto blade and just trim it so it's not obstructing the mechanism. And we're just going to wrap this around a few times. Yeah, you see that tape is split now? That should be enough. Let's just test fit it. Okay, here's where we'll do a cut. Alright, let's flip this around. So we'll just test fit it. Nice and snug. There you go. The rest is easy. Okay, so here we go. They're all on. They look great against the black headstock on the BB234. Here's what it looks like from behind. It looks terrific. I kept the silver screws, the original screws in there, and this whole guitar really looks great. It's a great look on the whole instrument. Hey, thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.